Okay, I'm back. It's been 10 minutes. I mixed both the syringes, equal parts. I put the release agent onto the bolt. I added the 2-part epoxy from the syringes onto the bolt. I installed it into the snowmobile. I put it in there finger banger tight, and then I waited 10 minutes. So I just came back out. I went to unscrew the bolt, the plug, oil plug, and it was tight. So I did have to use a wrench to loosen it up. Got the bolt right here. It's got some compound on it yet. Now, this unit does take a O-ring on there, so I'll clean that compound off, and that's probably where the O-ring is going to go. As for the repair, so the repair is right up in here. It is difficult to see, but it does look like there's threads in there. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is clean up the leftover residue, leftover compound on the bolt and right on the edge of the inlet for where the plug goes, and then I'm going to wait 30 minutes for it to cure. After that, I'm going to install my O-ring, put it in, and see if it gets tight. So I'll see you guys in 30 more minutes.